Why are more projects switching from steel, aluminum, and wood to Bedford fiberglass-reinforced plastic, or FRP?
FRP, it has a high strength-to-weight ratio. It is non-corrosive. It will not rust. It will not rot.
FRP is about 1/4 the weight of steel, so it's very easy to ship and it's very easy to install.
You can cut it with a typical circular or reciprocal saw. It's very easy to drill into and mechanically fasten. And unlike steel, you're not going to be spending time and money with a welder.
Any environment where there's any kind of corrosive material involved, that's going to be your pick. Anything else is not going to stand up to it.
It's extremely high weight to strength ratio, so it's very strong. It's lightweight, it's corrosion resistance, it's electrical, it's non-conductive around electricity.
Once it's installed, you're not going to have to worry about painting it, any kind of issues with, how steel will, the paint will flake up and look terrible after a couple of years. You're going to have a nice looking product still.
So that definitely is going to save in the life cycle costs and definitely help out with the customer with the minimum maintenance.
It's going to provide you years of good looking product in the environment versus any other material you use.
To learn more about the strength, durability, and long-term savings of Bedford FRP, visit bedfordreinforced.com or call 814-623-8125.